the third episode of Building Time Attack Lada in UK. Today is gonna be one of my critical moments because first time ever probably gonna do cutting the windscreen Wonder Wings actually on my Lada. So from the previous episode, if you watched the previous episode, I explaining why we do that. So today is gonna be the day when actually we're gonna try to cut the whole front end, and after that we're gonna try to build up properly the front end with the new underwings, with the fiberglass wings, with the fiberglass parts on the my cars and stuff like that. So keep watching, enjoy, subscribe, ring the bell, give a likes just for the YouTube algorithm. Please, if you really like that video or the stuff which we're doing here, just support us, give a likes, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, enjoy. We start doing some stuff. Our special tool, yeah? Ta-da! Yeah! Yay! So, where we are with the water. Not much time to do it, but so what was the plan? What? Here you can see it. It's nasty, rusty, nasty. So that is the piece which we took off. It's rusty on the inside. You can see it, how rusty it is. So my plan wasn't to take that off, that piece off, but from what I'm looking and what I see, I have cut everything here now, and just to see how bad is it, and after that clean everything, apply with the chemicals, and see what we can save and how we can save. So hello, this is another update for the car. I didn't do much about it, but because we're on progress to do a couple of things like see what is bad, where we have to cut, what more we have to cut, what we have to fabricate. So we're on a progress right now. Look at where we are right now. So this is look like really ugly. we cut everything. The cables here, they must go, but we are not on that level right now. Or so how it looks like, the genuine parts here. I'm gonna cut that as well. I'm gonna remove it. There are 3 pieces, the same style like the seals, front, middle and rear. That's probably gonna be cut as well here, and after that gonna be built like a new plate, reinforced plate. What else? So here is really thin, probably I'm gonna cut that piece here as well. But the most interesting things which we have right now is one of our friends, he drew it on a SolidWorks, that piece, made it first from a cardboard. That's what's supposed to be the genuine piece. So if you look at, that is how it's supposed to look like. That's really thin, 1 mil probably. This is the new piece, made it from a 2 mil. And we're planning to do absolutely the same for the other side, which that one should fit here. I mean, something like that. Yeah, it's not perfect. It's not perfectly right now. We have to trim it a bit, but this is the idea. I'm gonna do the same here. We're gonna cut that one here, weld it, dimple dice. After that, we're gonna fabricate the top mount. And yeah, another update is our coach actually arrived after 6 months. I'm not on rush. Thank you to CG Motors in Leeds, which they made everything for us, and they said it's gonna hold 521 Newton meters. So this is how it's looking, the new coach. They build up the pressure plate, they build up inside the internal, the bearing as well. Flywheel is from Russia. Probably gonna make another video what is the difference between my old one and the new one. Yeah, that's gonna be probably for this episode. Thank you very much. If you're interested, I really appreciate for your attention. Please like, subscribe, share with the people if you like what I do. Probably, I hope, I can't say nothing now. Next year, if you do time attack or some races, will be perfect. If you don't, that is just because we have to build the car properly. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye.